Question 8. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? A. 1930, B. 1935, C. 1947, D. 1950. Answer B. 1935. Question 2. Where is the headquarters of RBI located? A. Kolkata, B. New Delhi, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. Answer C. Mumbai. Question 3. Who was the first governor of the Reserve Bank of India? A. Sir Benegal Ramarao, B. Sir Osborne Smith, C. D. Deshmukh, D. James Taylor. Answer B. Sir Osborne Smith. Question 4. Who was the first Indian governor of RBI? A. C. D. Deshmukh, B. L. K. Jha, C. Manmohan Singh, D. Y. V. Reddy. Answer A. C. D. Deshmukh. Question 5. In which year was the RBI nationalized? A. 1947, B. 1949, C. 1951, D. 1955. Answer B. 1949. Question 6. Which act governs the functioning of the Reserve Bank of India? A. RBI Act 1934, B. Banking Regulation Act 1949, C. Companies Act 1956, D. Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. Answer A. RBI Act 1934. Question 7. Who has the authority to issue currency notes in India except 1 rupee note? A. Government of India, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Ministry of Finance, D. State Bank of India. Answer B. Reserve Bank of India. Question 8. Who issues the 1 rupee currency note in India? A. RBI, B. Ministry of Finance, C. State Bank of India, D. Planning Commission. Answer B. Ministry of Finance. Question 9. Which symbol was adopted as the Indian rupee sign in 2010? A. Devanagari plus Roman blend, B. Rupee, C. Rupaya, D. R. Answer A. Devanagari plus Roman blend. Question 10. Who designed the Indian rupee symbol? A. Raghunath Mohapatra, B. Udaya Kumar, C. R. K. Joshi, D. N. Chandrababu Naidu. Answer B. Udaya Kumar. Question 11. Which printing press prints Indian currency notes? A. Nasik, B. Devas, C. Mysore, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 12. Which is the largest denomination of currency currently in circulation in India 2025? A. 500 रुपए, B. 1000 रुपए, C. 2000 रुपए, D. 200 रुपए. Answer A. 500 रुपए. Question 13. Which denomination note was withdrawn from circulation in 2016? A. 500 रुपए 1000 रुपए, B. 2000 रुपए, C. 100 रुपए, D. 50 रुपए. Answer A. 500 रुपए 1000 रुपए. Question 14. Which denomination note was withdrawn in 2023 by RBI? A. 200 रुपए, B. 2000 रुपए, C. 50 रुपए, D. 20 रुपए. Answer B. 2000 रुपए. Question 15. Which coin has been discontinued by the Government of India? A. 10 पैसे, बी 25 पैसे, सी 50 पैसे, डी 5 रुपए। आंसर बी 25 पैसे। क्वेश्चन 16। Which metal is used in 10 rupee coin? A. Aluminium, B. Nickel brass, C. Steel, D. Copper. Answer B. Nickel brass. Question 17. Which Mahatma Gandhi series of notes was first issued in India? A. 1991, B. 1996, C. 2000, D. 2005. Answer B. 1996. Question 18. Which governor's signature is present on Indian currency notes except 1 rupee? A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Finance Minister, D. RBI Governor. Answer D. RBI Governor. Question 19. The lender of last resort refers to A. World Bank, B. State Bank of India, C. RBI, D. IMF. Answer C. RBI. Question 20. Which body is responsible for monetary policy in India? A. RBI, B. Finance Ministry, C. SCBI, D. Planning Commission. Answer A. RBI. Question 21. Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) of RBI consists of how many members? A. 3, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. Answer C. 6. Question 22. Current inflation target set for RBI 2021 to 2026 is A. 2% 1%, B. 4% 2%, C. 6% 3%, D. 5% 2%. Answer B. 4% 2%. Question 23. Which of the following is not a function of RBI? A. Printing currency notes, B. Controlling monetary policy, C. Regulating stock exchanges, D. Managing foreign exchange. Answer C. Regulating stock exchanges. Question 24. Which organization regulates the stock market in India? A. RBI, B. SCBI, C. IRDAI, D. NABARD. Answer B. SCBI. Question 25. Which system is used by RBI for real-time interbank fund transfers? A. RTGS, B. NEFT, C. IMPS, D. UPI. Answer A. RTGS. Question 26. Which payment system is not directly operated by RBI? A. NEFT, B. RTGS, C. UPI, D. Check truncation system. Answer C. UPI. Question 27. Who controls inflation in India through monetary policy? A. Finance Minister, B. RBI Governor, C. Prime Minister, D. Niti Aayog. Answer B. RBI Governor. Question 28. Currency notes withdrawn from circulation are known as A. Defaced notes, B. Demonetized notes, C. Inoperative notes, D. None of the above. Answer B. Demonetized notes. Question 29. Which is the smallest note currently in circulation in India? A. 1 रुपया, B. 2 रुपए, C. 5 रुपए, D. 10 रुपए. Answer A. 1 रुपया. Question 30. Which committee recommended the setting up of RBI? A. Narasimham Committee, बी हिल्टन यंग कमीशन, सी मल्होत्रा कमेटी, डी केलकर कमेटी। आंसर बी हिल्टन यंग कमीशन।